Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the phone app has permission to show incoming calls. This is why calls may be hidden. Go to Settings, open Apps, pick Phone, and enable Display over other apps and Caller ID. Once done, make sure the phone app is the default dialer and remove battery optimization for it so the system doesn't kill notifications. Also check Do Not Disturb and any focus profile. These silence or hide call screens even with permissions enabled. Next, you adjust how incoming calls appear. In the phone app settings, locate incoming calls or call display. Choose full screen so the call interrupts and shows on the lock screen. If you see banner or pop-up only, change it to full screen. This fixes missed visual alerts. Make sure any third-party launchers or caller ID apps aren't set to override the default. If they are, either configure them to show full screen or temporarily disable them to test the native behavior and rule out conflicts. Finally, verify changes with a restart and a test incoming call so you can observe the new behavior. Restarts often apply permission changes. If calls still don't display, clear the phone app cache and, if necessary, reset app preferences to restore default handlers. As a final step only, back up your data and perform a factory reset if the issue persists, because corrupted system settings can block call screens. If you hit roadblocks, try another SIM.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.